Welcome. If you've been staring at that pesky unread folder in Telegram web on your PC, wondering how to make it disappear, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the quick, easy steps to remove it for good. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and head to Telegram web. Log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll see your chat folders listed at the top, things like all chats, groups, or channels. Spot the unread folder? That's the one we're tackling. Here's where it gets simple. Right-click directly on the unread folder. A small menu will pop up with options. Click Delete Folder. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Telegram will ask you to confirm this action. Just hit Delete again when prompted, and just like that, the folder vanishes from your sidebar. Now don't panic if your unread chats seem to disappear too. They're not gone. They'll still be in your All Chats folder, neatly organized. This step only removes the folder itself, not your messages. If you ever want the unread folder back, you can recreate it in settings later. Why remove it? Maybe you prefer a cleaner interface or find the folder redundant. Whatever your reason, this trick saves you from clutter. And the best part? It takes seconds. No digging through confusing menus or toggling obscure settings. One quick note. This method works on the web version of Telegram. If you're using the desktop app, the steps might differ slightly. But for browsers, whether you're on Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, this is the way to go. So there you have it. A clutter-free Telegram web experience in just a few clicks. If this helped, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.